Let's continue with our app. Let's add here a button with the name show students and also hide students. So when the students are shown, the button text will be hide students, and when the students list is hidden, the text button will be show students. For this, I'll go in my application here in my students list, but first I want to change this component name. So I want to change the name from toggle color button to button, because I want this to be a generic button and it will be used for show and for toggle color. And here also I want to change this text to be button.js. And also the component name will be button. Okay. And now let's search in the application where I'm using this. So I'm searching for toggle color and I need to import here button from button. Here I have also button. Here I have button, and I'll send a more property here with the name text, and here I have the text toggle color. Also here I need to put button from button. Here I have button, and here I'll add also the property text. And I have toggle color text. Here I need to change also in import button. Here I have button. Here I have text with a text toggle color. Yes, I changed in all places. Let's see if the application is working. Yes, all is okay. Let's add now our button which will show or will hide our students list. Okay. So let's go here. Let's copy this button. And let's change the text to let's say no, show students for the moment. So I have show students here, and let's define a new state with the name show students and set show students, and I'm using state by default is false. Here I need a variable with the name students, which is null, and here I need to make a verification, and I'll verify if the show students value is true. students is equal with this. Okay, else the students remains null. Okay, and here I'll render my list with the name students, and for this button I need to add another function, and I'll add the function with the name handle click toggle show students, and here I'll set the value for set show show students, which is not show students. And here in the second button I'll send this function, and the text will be with the condition. So the condition is if show students is true, the text is hide students, else the text is show students. Let's test and let's see if it's working. I have the toggle color. Well, I have this, I don't know. Oh, because I didn't change this text here. So this text needs to be props text. Let's add for this button in the CSS, let's add to the button for each button, let's add a margin top 10 pixels. Let's test now. Whoa, it's not working. Let's see why it's not working. Oh, because I don't have the class button, but I have the element. Oh, yes, it's the element. Oh, because I have this margin. Yeah, 0. So this is not working. Okay. In this case, we need to change the CSS a lot, and for the moment, we'll let this like this. The style is not important. It's important just the functionality. We have the button here with the show students. When we click it, the students are shown. The text is changed to hide students, and when I click on hide students, the text is changed and the students list is hidden.